Hey everyone! So today we're going to do a reverse swipe, and we're going to be doing it on a round. And I just want to check, make sure I'm level. And I am. And this round is a 12-inch round. I've already sprayed my paper cup with the WD-40 silicone spray. That'll help release all the paint from the cup. That way we're not quite so wasteful. It'll end up on the pad and not stuck in the cup. So I have some colors here. I'm going to be using up a few, hopefully today. I want to start with a little bit of black. And this is going to be a flip cup, so we don't have to go on the side. And some Craft Smart Deep Bronze Metallic. Dalarani Phthalo Turquoise, Deco Art Sea Breeze, Craft Smart Gold, and this is Deco Art Teal Topaz, Craft Smart Robin's Egg Blue. I'm going to try to use this one up. Good. Okay. And then Folk Art Metallic Turquoise. And then a little bit of black again. Alright, that should be plenty of paint because this canvas is not that big. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this. And we're going to take our base paint white and we're going to go around this cup. Okay. I might want to come a little closer to the edge because I have a feeling that flip cup's going to push us over. Alright, that's better. I feel a little safer now. Alright, so that paint has had plenty of time to come to the bottom, and with us using the silicone, it won't stay in the cup anyway. Okay, a little bit left in there. I'm going to flip it and see if I can get a skin out of it. So I'm going to pull this paint over. And this is just a scraper that you would use like for scraping wallpaper or a putty knife. Little handy tools to have for painting. Okay. So I always wipe mine off as soon as I'm done. That way it makes cleanup so much faster. And I'm done with that one. Okay, so now I'm just going to start tilting. We're going to have to take a lot of this paint off because there's just way too much paint on the canvas. But I want to pay attention to what I poured out of that cup so that some of it stays there. Doesn't look like much now, does it? So let's go ahead and start torching. We may need to pour some more up, but I want to see what's underneath the white. We're just heating the paint up so the silicone can come up, and with it will come color. And the white will gradually sink down in. I'm going to pour a little bit of this off here because I know that I have the flip cup paint through here. Give it one more torch, and then we are going to take a short break and come back and see what develops within the next 5 or 10 minutes. So we'll see you here in a second. Okay, I'm back. I don't see a lot of change. I mean, there's some cells coming up, but we still have a lot of white. So I think I'm going to tilt this way a little bit just to see if it may open something up. There's still a lot of paint on here. Let's see what this does. I did get rid of a little bit of white. There's more coming there. This is going to change quite a bit as it sits too. The silicone's going to want to come to the top. Yeah, this one's going to have a lot of white. But it's good to experiment. I wanted to try a different shape canvas to see how it would react. Really? And I think maybe just a little bit too much white paint I used, and that was probably the issue. But otherwise, it looks pretty good. So we're going to call this one half done. We will come back and look at this on Monday night if you want to remind me, and I'll show it Monday night. And we'll see what developed from there. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on that bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook and shop with us on Amazon and Etsy. We have a fan mailbox. We work with Stone Coat for the art coat resin. That code to save money is down below. So check out all those links down below. And we will see you all on the next one. Bye now.